And I'm gonna go ahead and pass this over to Rivera's Hot Wheels.
Man, look at this thing. You know what? What's up, boys? Check this out. This thing is just ridiculous. Gold plate. Oh my. It's too hard. Too crazy. Okay, well this guy said that he wants to do a wheel swap on this. Why don't you do the honors, man? Do the honors and crack this thing. I'm not. No, this is all you right here.
Let's go ahead and crack this open. I like to go ahead and free the piece. Shout out to Lamar Faciane. He's one kind of like me who doesn't mind cracking. And this thing is pretty seal tight, but hey, there you go.
Nice. You're gonna put the wheels off of what?
I'm gonna get the wheels off of this one here, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Spring GTA. So let's go ahead and crack this open. So I'm going to use these wheels. I'm going to put these wheels on this one here. And give it a nice wheel swap.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got the mind made up ready to go ahead and just do that baby open.
Alright.
So drilling away. Yeah. How to get surgical. Yeah, that was fast.
You can't strip the paint.
No way you can have a strip the paint. It's a nice color, man.
Man. There you go. Let's get the wheels off quick. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that was quick.
That's how you do it. You can get a Dremel and drill this. Grind this off, but tienes un screwdriver. Good screwdriver, you can just break the tabs off. Same deal with this. These, there, good. One.
Well, this plastic's a lot easier when it's plastic on it.
Oh yeah. Flare this open a little bit. Let me just. Oops. Just like that. How fast was that?
Man.
Is that like a world record wheel swap or what? Here you
About
go.
a minute.
Man, what a difference, huh?
Hey,
Check that out, man.
nice upgrade. Nice
All we're
upgrade.
just gonna do is drill this little hole right here to screw it back together, but
Tap it on.
there you go, man. That's all you.
Then we have this dart charger. I'm gonna crack this open and watch it shine. You gotta go ahead and
It hurts. Little way.
bring out the shine on this baby.
Man. Put it in the sun.
Let's see this one.
Move it around. Look at that.
So this is our course of the day for today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Comment in the description below. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and let me know if you guys are interested in these green machines that I have for sale. Thank you guys and enjoy your day. Peace.